One of the most common myths in industrial automation today is that it replaces jobs. Many people imagine automation as machines taking over. Lights out factories, empty control rooms, fewer people. But that's not the full story. Automation doesn't remove the human element, it redefines it. Welcome to Automation Myths Debunked, the series where we separate fact from fiction in the world of industrial automation. Today, we're tackling the big question. Does automation really replace jobs? Well, to answer that question, we need to start at the source. The fear that automation replaces people come from what we see on the surface, like machines performing repetitive tasks or processes running on their own. But behind every automated system is a team full of engineers, programmers, and technicians making it all possible. In reality, automation replaces tasks, not jobs. It takes over the repetitive, error-prone work like data logging, manual monitoring, and system checks, so people can focus on higher value activities like system design, analysis, and improvement. Let's take a look at an example. In a data center, automated monitoring systems track temperature, humidity, and power 24/7. But it's still the facility engineers who configure those systems, interpret the data, and make operational decisions. Automation isn't taking the place of those skilled professionals, it amplifies their capabilities, allowing the engineer to manage multiple sites with greater precision and control. Okay, so you can take a deep breath. Automation isn't going to take your job. What's happening is actually something much more impactful. Let me explain. As automation continues to expand, we're seeing new career opportunities. Automation engineers, control system integrators, data analysis, and cybersecurity specialists. The industry is shifting towards higher skill, higher value work. So rather than replacing jobs, automation is creating demand for a new generation of technically skilled professionals who design, maintain, and optimize these systems. This means that automation is actually doing the complete opposite. It's creating demand for more jobs, not less. Take a water treatment plant. In the past, technicians spent their day walking the floor, manually opening valves, reading gauges, and recording data by hand. Today, automation systems handle most of these repetitive tasks automatically. So you might look at that and think, well, if the automation systems now handle most of those repetitive tasks, then doesn't that mean that they took those jobs? Well, technically yes and no. For example, if a technician's entire role was to physically open valves or record readings, and a control system now does that automatically, that specific task-based function is no longer needed. But, and this is really critical, automation doesn't eliminate the overall employment demand in the industry. It shifts where and how people work. So that one person that was doing that specific task that now is automated by some kind of system simply doesn't have to do that repetitive task anymore and can focus on more higher level work. So it reduces repetitive labor but increases demand for skilled hands-on roles. The people who keep the equipment running, troubleshoot issues, and ensure everything in the system operates safely. So I think we're ready to answer the question. Does automation really replace jobs? Well, the answer is just more complicated than black and white. Certain manual roles fade as technology takes over repetitive work. But the bigger story is how automation transforms entire industries, creating demand for new technical skills, safer work environments, and smarter systems. Automation isn't about replacing people, it's about amplifying what people can do. It shifts us from reaction to prevention, from labor to leadership, from doing the same task over and over to engineering systems that run better every single day. And at ICP DAS USA, that's what we believe in, empowering automation to enable people. Because every smart system still needs smart people behind it. Thank you for watching this episode of Automation Myths Debunked. If you found this helpful, check out our last episode where we dive deep into what Modbus is and how it works. So make sure you subscribe for more insights into industrial automation, control systems, and real-world engineering. If you're interested in learning more about how we can help automate your facility, reach out at sales@icp-usa.com, or you can check out our website at icp-usa.com, both of which will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.